In Vietnam, 50 to 70% of waste contains compounds that can be recycled and create new energy sources, but only nearly 10% is recycled. Throughout the past decade, although the plastic industry has grown by 15% to 20% per year, Vietnam still has to import 80% of raw materials for production. But what caused these issues? Although Vietnamese law stipulates that households are responsible for sorting domestic solid waste, in reality most households in Vietnam do not properly classify their waste due to the lack of strict sanctioning regulations. People just don't have any incentives to treat their waste properly. Thus, the responsibility of sorting scrap relies heavily on the individual scrap pickers. These pickers often are women from lower income group working without no contracts. Often their scrap sorting process is carried out manually, at low efficiency. At the end of the scrap supply chain, recycling companies had to deal with an enormous of waste. Most were not properly sorted and have to be thrown away, wasting materials and polluting the environment. Understand the shortcomings of the conventional method of scrap collecting. The VECA team has come up with a new solution for all of these problems. VECA provides an online, real-time scrap trading tech solution that all the key stakeholders in the scrap supply chains can join. VECA is the first app-based scrap collecting solution in Vietnam, allowing us to enjoy many first-mover advantages. Although there have been some newcomers recently, VECA is still the most popular and competitive player in the local e-scrap market, thanks to our earlier effort to partner with key stakeholders in the scrap supply chain, and effective communication campaigns in person and on social media. With VECA, household sellers can quickly and easily find nearest dealers, trade their scrap at a transparent price, and the time and location to pick up scrap at their choosing. They can also receive payment easily through our e-payment partner Momo. Not only solving the problem of scrap supplying, VECA also makes the scrap collection process much easier for pickers, creating more sustainable job opportunities to disadvantaged women in large cities. In our trial stage in Ho Chi Minh City, 100% of scrap dealers using VECA have seen improvement in their labor productivity and incomes. Other stakeholders in the scrap value chain also benefit from VECA. Scrap dealers and scrapyards could achieve a boost in their scrap supply, while saving the scrap sorting costs. For recycling factories, VECA app allows them to track, verify the source of the scrap and sorting scrap from its source. VECA encourages household sellers to sort scrap properly from its source, saving sorting costs and boost recyclability rate for factories. VECA. Recycle with ease.